half of the team. This time I got the checks and some of the color birds. And see how many I got remaining. Off of this guy. So just check. $55. Almost feel like Beardle's siblings. Might be one of either that or it might be Beardle's kid. A little short, compact body. It's kind of what their family looks like. I'm pretty positive it is. It's got some of that red marking that special ingredient Beardle throws off. I'm sure that's their the first round. No, that's not the first round. That's their second round. And the nestmate to that one is this guy. So that was 55. This one is 54. Nestmate. 54. So these guys, they're babies, they throw that red tint on their wing. See that? Yeah, a little bit on his head too. This is younger siblings to the Purple Heart and Inferno. But it'd be interesting to see how these guys do. These are kind of my own personal line that I'm working with, so be interesting how they turn out. This guy's a pretty nice one too. This one is siblings to Beardle times Johnson's stuff. Nice white flies. Single baby in the nest, so got that one black on the outside. But seeing this guy fly, he's been flying pretty good. See how he does on the when it comes to race days. See the span number. 56. 56. That's Inferno. This might remember him. They got that red on their wings. Bronze looking, kite looking bird. This guy is a Purple Heart nestmate. 43. This guy's the first round out of Beardle. It's special ingredient. 43. Get that. So 43. And they all got that same body style. Very short, compact, and broad shoulders. Barn looking head. It's one of the older birds. Kind of lazy flyer, but see how he does on them tosses. Little bastard. So this guy was a nestmate to that part of the Three Amigos. paired up to his sister. Try a little whittle system with them. During race day, probably toss one versus the other. See if it benefits them coming home. 6201. Banded these bands upside down compared to the other ones. 6201. It's got a little check on them, so I'm going on the check team. Cock. This is Bertle's siblings. White. I don't know what the estimate is. It's a check, but find the band number. So this one's 59. Sibling should be 58 or 60, one or the other. This is the sibling. Nestmate 259, 60. Get that. Just a plain Jane check. Bertle's siblings. Trying their parents again this year. See if their babies are actually legit. Last year their babies did decent for me, so try them out again this year against some of these other birds I got in the lot. Guys are the second round 2 points check pair I got. The way I can tell is these guys got them dark blue on them. This is a hen, most likely. And they always throw off some black feet babies. 44. 44. And for sure this is the nestmate. 45. No. 61. Who the heck is 61? This one got that dark. Oh, I know what 61 is. It's part of the Bertle family. Single baby, the only baby that died on me. Once got out to weaning was this guy's his nestmate. This guy ate all the food. The other one was hell malnourished. Smaller bird. Same body style, shorter compact. This one might actually do pretty good. Got up in the air pretty quick. There's the nestmate. Larger side, kind of like the dad. 60 and 45. Nestmate was 44.